Hello students, in this video I am going to make you understand about pollination. Once again I am telling you these all topics are very easy, only you need to listen to me carefully. And I am sure that at last you will be able to answer all the questions related to this topic. How? Let us see. Let us go through the process of pollination. What do we mean by pollination first of all? Pollination means what? The transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma. From anther to stigma is called pollination. Anther and stigma. What do we mean by this anther and what do we mean by stigma? Anther is the male reproductive part and stigma is the female reproductive part. And what do we mean by pollen grains? Pollen grains are male reproductive cell. Male reproductive gamete also you can say. It is also known as male gamete. Pollen grains are male gamete. So when the male gamete is transferred from male part to the female reproductive part, then fusion is done and zygote is formed. So this whole process is known as pollination. इस पूरे process को हम क्या कहते हैं? Pollination कहते हैं. This pollination can be done by three processes. By three methods, by three agents. Sorry, we should not say methods. By three agents like insects, wind and water. They are the agents of pollination. You know, in pollen grains, male gametes are hidden. And they are protected by the coat of pollen grains. ये जो pollen grains का coat है उसे protect करता है. ठीक जैसे ovules के अंदर female reproductive जो part है that is the cell that is ovules उसके अंदर eggs होता है. उसी तरह pollen grains के अंदर male gametes होते हैं. So let us go through the insects. Pollination through insects. But one more thing is there to tell you, that is the types of pollination. Types of pollination. Pollination is of two types. Pollination is of two types. What is that? That is, first one is known as self-pollination and the second one is called cross-pollination. Self-pollination and cross-pollination. What happens in self-pollination? Suppose I am telling you this is the plant. This is the plant having flowers. Okay, see, look at here. This is the plant having flowers. If the pollen grain is transferred from one flower to another flower of the same plant, what it is known as self-pollination. What it is called? Self-pollination. और self-pollination को ना हम autogamy भी कहते हैं. What do we say? Autogamy. Then what do we mean by cross-pollination? Cross-pollination, let us take another plant, okay, having flowers. Now what will happen? When the pollen grain of the flower is transferred to another flower of the different plant. But same species. Don't forget. They both should be rose then rose, same color of rose. If they both are jasmine, that must be jasmine only, of the same color, of the same species. Plants may be different, but species should be same. Then only pollination is possible, otherwise there will be no pollination. So this is what is called cross-pollination. When the pollen grain of one flower is transferred to the another flower of the different plant of same species is called cross-pollination. और इस cross-pollination को हम allogamy भी कहते हैं. This is also known as allogamy. Good. So now let us go through insects. You know, there are some flowers which are very much brightly colored and having strong smell. So these because of their strong smell, insects gets attracted and they go and start sucking nectars that flowers sap called nectars. Do you know what is this nectar? Nectars जो है ना वो concentrated जो है concentrated sugar है जिसे लेने जाते हैं और उसी शुगर से आपको पता है ना हनी बनता है. So this concentrated sugar is taken by the insects. What kind of flowers needed? Very much brightly colored and having strong smell. Then they go to another flower. Because of that, do you know what happened? Pollen grains get stick to their body. Pollen grains जो है बिल्कुल लाइट वेटेड होते हैं, येलो कलर के होते हैं, वो उनकी बॉडी से चिपक जाते हैं. और जब यही इंसेक्ट्स अपने दूसरे फ्लावर के ऊपर जाता है तो क्या होता है? ये इनमें पॉलिनेशन के लिए एजेंट बन जाता है. ये पॉलिन ग्रेन्स जो है स्टिग्मा पे चले जाते हैं और उनमें पॉलिनेशन हो जाता है. सो वैसे कौन से प्लांट्स हैं जो कि इंसेक्ट्स के द्वारा पॉलिनेटेड किए जाते हैं? यू कैन से दे आर ऑर्चिड. ये प्लांट्स कौन कौन हो सकते हैं? ऑर्चिड प्लांट के बारे में आपने सुना होगा. एंड देन देयर इज अ स्वीट पी, देन देयर इज अ स्वीट पी. These plants are actually pollinated by insects. Now let us go through the next one. What is the next one? The next one is pollination by wind. So what is this pollination by wind? See, there are some flowers which are small. Not brightly colored. They are not even brightly colored, but their stamens are long. इनके जो स्टेमन होते हैं वो लॉन्ग होते हैं और बहुत सारे उनमें पॉलन ग्रेन्स होते हैं. द क्वांटिटी ऑफ पॉलन ग्रेन्स इज लार्ज. वो बहुत सारे होते हैं. एंड ड्यू टू विच डू यू नो ये बड़े लाइट वेटेड होते हैं. दे आर वेरी लाइट वेटेड. सो दे आर इजिली कैरिड बाय द विंड फ्रॉम वन फ्लावर टू अनदर. एंड इन दैट वे wind becomes the agent and pollination is done. What are these plants? These plants are maize, wheat, rice. These all are the plants you can take as an example. And they go through the process of pollination. Then where are the water? How the water becomes an agent for the pollination? Some aquatic plants, you know, कुछ aquatic plants जो होते हैं वो अपने जो pollen grains हैं वो पानी में रिलीज करते हैं. And due to the current of water, what happen? These pollen grains transfer from one place to another and get aside, and pollination is done with the another plant. So who has become the agent? This is the water which has become an agent. We can take the example of hydrilla. This is the water plant. Vallisneria. So these are, if you remember, then these are the examples of water pollination. Or you can also write sea grasses. So these are the plants which are pollinated through water, and water is the agent. I am sure that you people have understood it well. If not, then see this video again and again. Make your notes and then learn it well. So, at last I must say, don't forget to write the comment, share and subscribe this channel for new updates. Thank you all of you.